Fellows, welcome to CSF Tech and Engineering. Fellows, this is night time. It's about, let's see, it's about 8:49 p.m. here. Yeah, and I will say welcome to CSF Tech and Engineering. Now, I'm here now because my blower, right, the heat and the AC blower in this 2010 Mercedes Benz, okay, C250 is not working. Now, some will say it's the fan, right? But most likely it's not the fan. When your fan, the blower, stop working, the first suspect is this one. Is this resistor? As you can see, this resistor there. Okay, it's this is the resistor. So it's called HVAC blower resistor. So this is the first suspect. It has I think how many? 4 pin inside there, right? So this is the one that regulates the fan, the speed of the fan and all those things. Okay, so this is the first suspect. I think 3 years ago, I changed it once, right? And I have the same issue. And then the mechanic, I told him, I did research and it says this is a first suspect. But the mechanic told me that is the fan itself. After he changed the fan, it's still not working. So then I have to order this in Amazon. And then after everything started working, okay, this is $98 on Amazon. Okay, you can find it cheaper here and there on Amazon. Okay, depending on the seller. And after I fixed it, and it was gone. But the mechanic charged me $780 for that job, even though I have to provide the resistor. Okay, and he charged me that. Since then, I decided to fix cars myself. So whatever you can do on your car, do it yourself. Because nowadays the mechanic, they don't joke. They give you the bill. They give it to you like, Now this resistor is underneath the globe, the passenger side, the globe compactor. That's where it is, behind underneath there. So at the meantime, whilst I am going there to change the resistor in this night time, I will also change the cabin air filter, because when I did it before 3 years ago, yes, I did change the cabin air filter. Okay, so I also gonna change the cabin air filter whilst I'm there already. So that is what I'm gonna do, and hopefully it's gonna probably take me about, I don't know, an hour to do it. Right, and you have to go sleep under there. It's not, it's very compact over there, and you have to try your best to, go in there and then take the screws out and then take the cover and then put in the resistor, and then hopefully the fan will be working. Let me show you. Right, this is the let me show you the I'm gonna turn on the car and then show you. Okay, stay tuned. Yeah, fellows, as you can see, the car is on now, right? And then if I turn it off now, okay, and then when you turn it on, I can tell the AC compressor kicks in, but nothing is blowing, right? Nothing at all. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it's a 2010 Mercedes Benz C250. Okay, so I'm trying to change it. I have to go under there, okay, and then take the panel at the bottom. I don't think I have to take this off. I don't think so. I don't think I have to take this off. But if it is, then I'll probably take it off. But I think underneath there's a there's a panel there that probably I can get it out from there. So fellows, let's stay tuned. I cannot record and show you at the same time. So when it's anything important, then I will come back and then show you. Fellows, as you can see, this is the inside, the under the lights switch socket, and this is the cabin air filter. You can tell there's dust inside, though it's not worse. You can tell it's not worse, but yeah, there is dust inside. And over there too, the resistor is there already. I already swapped the resistor. As you can see, the resistor is over there now. Right, the resistor is, you can see there. Right, okay, that's the resistor there. Okay, it's very difficult for me to point it to you, so I already swap it. I just have to connect over there. Right, this is the resistor. That's the socket there. So I'm gonna plug it in, and then I think I will test it out and see if everything is okay. At first, I gotta put the thing back, it goes in like that, right? It goes in like that over there. That's where it goes. Okay, yeah. So I have to make sure I go in the same way, and then I do not have to make a mistake on that. Oh, did I turn it? Yeah, okay. Anyway, I'll put it in later on. So fellows, let's stay tuned on CSF Tech and Engineering. Fellows, as you can see, the resistor is what you see here. Okay, this is the new resistor. Okay, so the new resistor is in, and then let me show you the old resistor. And this is the old resistor. Okay, this is the old resistor. So after changing the resistor, I tested the blower module and it's not working. So this actually, now I confirm that is the blower module that stops working. So I have to order the blower module, and then probably I have to return the new resistor because I don't really need that one. Right now, but this is the fan, the blower module, the socket, right? So, and this is the probe. Okay, I'm gonna use the probe. Okay, this is the red one, is the positive wire. I'm gonna put it in and then send 12 volts power inside. If it is working, it will spin. If it's not working, you will not hear no spin. See, look, right? I send the power and nothing. So that tells you that the blower motor is blown up. So that's what I'm gonna do. Is I'm gonna stop for now, and then I'm going to order a blower motor. Yeah, because that's the negative wire here, right? That's the negative, the edge. Or even though if I want, I can also just clip on the negative there, right? Put it inside there. If I don't know if it's gonna fit in the negative terminal, alligator terminal, it doesn't fit inside anyway, right? It doesn't go in. See this one. So the best option is to put a negative, connect to the body, which is the negative one, right? I have the negative power there, and then you send the power from here. So to the blower motor, nothing. Again, nothing. I can see the wire. Let me see the wire here. I can see there's a little bit burn at the wire there. So maybe it burned somewhere there. I don't know. So let's see. Yeah, this is the maybe I can repair it if it is burned. But anyway, I guess I'm gonna leave it as that for now, and then I'm going to oh, sorry. Okay, video still running. Okay, I want to remove the light from there and see. Okay, this is the video running there. Okay, and I want to inspect and see. Okay, let's see the wire. Yeah. Anyway, let's see the fan. The fan itself, it doesn't light up there. Right, so you can tell there's something burning inside. Yeah, something burning inside there. Nothing. It's supposed to light up. Nothing lights up here. So that tells you that I think the coil or something is broken inside there. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it like this for now because I'm gonna come back again and work on it later on. So I'm gonna drive it like that for now until I get all the parts, and then I will put it on again. Yeah. So for the meantime, I will also change the cabin filter. As you can see, I changed it. The cabin filter is there. Right. So there's the cabin filter there. I put it in, and everything feels okay. So I have no issues there. All right. So that's it for today. Until the next time, see you on CSF Tech and Engineering. Bye for now.